Mr. Monkey, Monkey Mechanic, was packing for his trip to the Monkey Mechanic Convention at Banana Beach when suddenly the garage bell rang. A visitor. Mr. Monkey loves having visitors, and he knows exactly who it is. It's Mr. Chameleon. Hi, Mr. Chameleon. Well, hello there, Mr. Monkey. All ready for your trip? Oh, yes, I can't wait. Thanks again for taking care of the garage while I'm away. No worries, Mr. Monkey. I came prepared. Now remember, if anyone comes in with a problem, just tell them I'll be back in the morning and we'll help them then. No worries, Mr. Monkey. Your garage is in good hands. I've got this. Terrific. See you in the morning. Bye, Mr. Monkey. With that, Mr. Monkey leaves for his Monkey Mechanic Convention. Mr. Chameleon, Chameleon Mechanic. That's got a nice ring to it. Oh! Mr. Chameleon has a visitor. Who could it be? Why, it's Coach Moose, Ms. Squirrel, Miss Cow, and Mr. Husky. Hiya, everybody. Welcome to Mr. Monkey, Mr. Chameleon, Chameleon Mechanic. How may I be of service?
Howdy. Hi, Mr. Chameleon. Is Mr. Monkey here? I have a problem.
Oh, Mr. Monkey went on a little overnight trip. He'll be back in the morning. But, maybe there's some way I can help you? After all, how hard could it be? I can help all of you. Tell me your problems.
Well, my car broke down, and it won't move, and I've got to go buy more nuts.
Car won't move. Got it.
I've been taking my sled to the supermarket, but when I pull my sled home, all my groceries fall off.
Food falls off sled. No problem.
My hockey team wants to skate in the summer, but there's no ice to skate on.
A problem that seemingly has nothing to do at all with your vehicle. Piece of cake.
There's so much corn to harvest, and I can't get all the work done if I take breakfast, lunch, and dinner breaks.
Your tractor needs to be working while you eat. Shouldn't be a problem.
So
can you help us,
Mr. Chameleon?
Absolutely. I can fix all of it. I've totally got it. I just, need a plan. I know. I'll head over to Mr. Monkey's workbench. That's how it works. He usually heads over there and comes back with a plan. All right, I'm here. And I guess I'm just supposed to wait for a plan to arrive. Shouldn't take too long. Being a mechanic is super easy. I don't know what all the fuss is about. Hey, a pencil. Maybe if I start doodling on this blue paper, the plan will arrive. Ah, brilliant, Mr. Chameleon, if I do say so myself. Ah, no, that's not a brilliant plan. That's just a lovely rendering of me on a skateboard. Maybe the plan is a telescope. Ah, I know, trampolines. That'll solve all the problems. Wait, space-age technology. They're always talking about that. I should try pulleys or add bouncy shoes. Bananas. Bananas can fix any problem, right? What about this wrench thingy? He always seems to use that. But what do I even do with it?
Hey, Mr. Chameleon. How's it coming along there, champ?
Oh, Miss Squirrel. I'm glad you're here. I've figured it all out, Miss Squirrel. Come and look at this. The repairs just keep coming, Miss Squirrel. There's no solution because the repairs just keep coming. They won't stop. They'll never stop.
I'll just leave you to it then.
Wake up, Mr. Chameleon, dude.
What? What? What's this?
You seem to have lost your gosh darn mind there, Mr. Chameleon. So, we got to talking, you know, and decided to fix each other's vehicles, thinking it might help you out there, eh?
Is that a tea kettle?
Oh yeah, see, last time I was here, Mr. Monkey put a bunch of tea kettles on my snowmobile, and I figured Miss Cow could use one to make tea or hot soup while she drove her tractor. That way she could eat while still driving her tractor and get all her work done.
Wow, great idea.
Sure is. And last time I was here, Mr. Monkey hooked me up with solar panels to make my tractor move without gas. I reckon solar panels would make Miss Squirrel's broken down car move.
Amazing.
And last time I was in, Mr. Monkey made boxes for all of my nuts when I kept losing track of them. So I did the same thing for Mr. Husky. Now his groceries won't fall off his sled.
And Mr. Monkey made me wheels for my sled so I could use it in the summer. So I thought Coach Moose's hockey team could use wheels on their skates. Now they can skate in the summer.
But I didn't help at all. Some Mr. Chameleon mechanic I turned out to be.
Actually, you did kind of help. Once you fell asleep in the middle of the floor, we realized that rather than waiting for someone else to solve our problems, we could solve them together.
So what you're saying is, you couldn't have done it without me.
Thanks, Mr. Chameleon.
There goes some very satisfied customers. Good morning, Mr. Chameleon. Things sure look like they were busy around here. How'd it go? Easy peasy, Mr. Monkey. You could say it pretty much took care of itself. Anyway, I'll be on my way. Gotta see if there's anyone else out there who needs my help. It's all about teamwork, Mr. Monkey. Teamwork. Welcome home. And with that, Mr. Monkey gets back to work. What happened to my workbench?